So as said, my name is Ra for short, and coming from the great Skype country of Estonia, Qminder is the queue elimination system. And by queues, I mean waiting lines. Think about all the waiting you do at theme parks, hospitals, your local shops or salons, you name it. Although the problem is clear for us all, did you know how big of a problem that is? That you spend more than 6 months out of your life queuing. And for the businesses, it's no joke either. They're losing revenue because people don't want to wait in line, not to mention the customer satisfaction going down the hill and such forth. And that's exactly why we created Qminder, a free smartphone application for remote queuing and the web service to eliminate waiting. For you, as the end users, it's free and easy as follows. Select a venue based on search or GPS, take the ticket remotely or on-site, get back your time, and get a reminder when your turn is up. Simple and intuitive. Now, for this to work, businesses do need to sign up, but we only need the name and location, and we are good to go. So as you see, we operate under the software as a service model, offering a monthly subscription fee per location. And in addition to that, premium services such as client identification and feedback gathering. Now, to further cater to the needs of the businesses, we can leverage the existing hardware, such as LCDs and affordable tablets, be it to display the line information or dispense SMS tickets for the non-smartphone users. And in this week, many mentors asked us, is it really that straightforward and simple? Now, I would borrow a line from before. You all saw the demonstration of pulp technology, right? It was quite easy and simple. Well, we work the same way. So it really is easy, and every one of you could set up a line. The winter is coming, people are going to skiing in the Alps, there's always a line for the shower. So jokes aside, who are the customers? Well, of course, healthcare, public services, those are the big names. But to get that into also a bank or a telecom would be a huge thing. What we see right now is that we can also tackle a whole new market that so far couldn't afford queue management, such as local salons, shops, and even events. Think about the beer line at rock festivals, or supermodel casting events, X Factor, for God's sake. So we have launched the standalone service, it was 2 weeks ago. And even before that, we saw businesses sign up. Currently, we have about 400 businesses who have tried this. Really interesting use cases from logical segments like restaurants and shops and salons, but also got used at community service, universities, an exhibition stand in Australia, and such forth. Now, more on the distribution, true. For a startup, we have many routes to test and try out to quickly validate. One might say, or well, Dave McClure might tweet that this is a hashtag unsexy business-to-business kind of deal. But no, look here. Meet Lorenzo, one of our first adopters in Brazil. Lorenzo is running 3 barbershops, about 30 barbers or so, and the most high-tech equipment before us was the lamp in their ceiling. So this truly shows that the markets may be so different, but the problem of waiting lines is truly universal. Now, we have something huge in our hands. We have something that people actually care about. And that's why I mentioned the keyword mission. We have a true mission to go after these people. We can tap into the emotion, the hate, the genuine hate of wait. Now, I'm so excited. This really is happening. We are going there. Furthermore, proof on that. Last night when we were supposed to worry about the pitch, get a good night's sleep, hell no. I had to teach enthusiastic ambassador in Brazil how to do customer interviews so we could get more information in. At the same time, we were contacted from the United States, I cannot say which state it was, by a government office that wants to apply this to 30 of their community service outputs. So I don't know how long the CTO stayed up emailing back and forth, but whew, you can understand my excitement. But there's more. even more exciting than the product, that the solution is the team. Oh man, there's 6 of us working on this, part-time, full-time, really passionate people, 4 developers in total. And do these guys know how to code or what? For example, the iOS developer, he has done his bachelor's and master's degree in iOS development. I don't know even if Apple has that kind of academic experience. Our design expert has built businesses and agencies before, seasoned professional. A nice example, on Monday we were featured on the big network of designers called Behance. You might have heard of them. Our CTO, Steve Brown, standing in the back. This guy, I don't know, he lives, breathes, and sees the code of Matrix, man. For example, he is the architect behind the world record-breaking census, where 62% of Estonian population use the online service. So he knows how to build stuff that don't crash. And then there's me. I have studied psychology for 3 years, so I might know a thing or two about what makes people tick and understand how big of a thing we have here. So join us for the ride. It's going to be a hell of a ride. Hit us up on Twitter, follow us on the Angel List. Yes, we are fundraising. And come talk to us. And please, please don't hesitate. Because remember, we all mind waiting. Yeah.